Again, it's Christmas Day, December 25, 2024. I'm Federal Circle. It's Track 1, the Jamaica station and the Howard Beach lines. I will take the yellow line, the all terminals. This is the all terminal trains. This train, this air train, all terminals, hits the terminals in reverse order. So on the Terminal 1, it will go to Terminal 8. It does the reverse loop of the regular Howard Beach and Jamaica air trains. Then I'm running early for work, so figured let me kill time by traveling on the air train.
Terminal 8, 7, 5, 4 and 1.
Again, there's my Terminal 1 sign. Skyline.
Take all your belongings.
Again, there's the skyline. And here is Terminal 8. I will pause it. Again, the all terminals train is only one train car. The regular air trains to Jamaica, sent to Jamaica and to Howard Beach are two train cars. We are now heading to Terminal 7. There's Kuwait Airlines there in the background.
This train is for airline terminals only. The next stops will be Terminal 7, 5, 4, 1 and 8. We are arriving at Terminal 7. Stop. Look around and please take all your belongings.
Terminal 7 already. There's Terminal 4, the tower to Terminal 4. And another air train coming opposite direction.
This is for airline terminals only. For your safety, please ride elevators located at the end of the station.
There's a plane taking off.
This train is for airline terminals only. The next stop will be Terminal 5, 4, 1, 8 and 7. We are arriving at Terminal 5. Stop. Look around and please take all your belongings.
Oh, all the parking here.
This train is track 2 for airline 1, 8, 7, and 5.
Heading now to Terminal 4.
Good job. That's lovely. Good food, have good reception.
Oh, look at planes on the runway in the background.
Is this so fun? It's not that fast, yeah.
Again,
We are
Terminal
arriving
4,
at Terminal 4.
Delta Terminal.
Look around. Please take all your
Oh,
belongings.
now we're sitting
There's an
up there.
airtrain going.
Oh, it's not getting off that. It's not getting off.
This train attracts you for airline terminal only. For your safety, please ride elevators located at the end of all your train stations.
Again, this is Terminal 4.
The next stop will be terminals 1, 8, 7, 5, and 4.
Now off to Terminal 1.
I don't know. It looks like it's Christmas.
Again, that's Terminal 4 right there.
Huh? Looks like a conductor. So, what was she saying about New York City that we live in Florida? She's saying, I don't live in New York City anymore. I'm pretty sure you guys know why. It's crazy out here.
Mom, are we going out? Going down? Just stop
This is going to Terminal 1 and we're Terminal 7.
We are arriving at Terminal 1.
I mean, listen, he said we're
Look
arriving.
around and please take all your belongings.
Yeah, you see T1, right? You let me know when we're at Terminal 7, okay? You guys let me know.
There is Terminal 1. I will stop this video now. I will disembark, get off this
This train attracts you
AirTrain, the all-terminal train.
for your safety. Elevators located at
Get
the
on
end of
the...
all your train
Did
stations.
that the whole time.
Okay.
It is located at the end of all your train stations.
Drop my water bottle.
Thank you.